In this video, we will look at how to create a header and a footer using Elementor Pro. So we are at the templates right now. Let's go here. And these are various templates that we have. So let's come to header. So this is the header that we have live on my website right now. Let's click on edit with Elementor. This is the header that I have on my website, and I can just click anywhere here and I'll be able to edit it completely. Let's start building a new header. We'll go here, add new header. We'll just name it random and create. So by default, if you see guys, the Elementor Pro team gives me so many options to choose a design for my header. Okay, and these are really cool. It just simplifies the entire work of creating a header. You can try out any of these, just insert it and you will be able to edit it immediately. But for now, let's just say that I want to create a fresh header. Let me just close this and it will give me blank screen to create my header. So how many sections do I want for my header? Let's say I want 3 sections. So it will give me 3 sections. Let me just reduce this particular section, go here and add my site logo. So that will add my site logo. Now here, let's go and add my navigation menu. So if you see guys, this menu gets pulled from the WordPress menu section. Let me just show you what I meant. So if I come here, and we discussed this in one of the previous sessions where we created menus. So I have 2 menus right now. One is a main menu, one is a secondary menu. If I go here, select, and these are all the pages right now that are showing up here, right? So let's say if I remove any page from here. So let's say if I remove this Elementor website link from here and click on save, just remove this. Let's just do a refresh. Let me create a 3-column menu. I reduce this. I added the site logo and I add a nav menu here. So if you see, the Elementor page link has gone from the menu. Okay, now let's just reduce this. Let's further reduce this so that it comes in line. Okay, now if you see, these are not aligned. The logo is a little bit low. This is a little bit higher. So let me just move the column position, the vertical align, and I'll make it space evenly. So this gets aligned with the logo. Also, I want this to be center aligned. So let's just do a center align. Great, it looks cool, right? Then let's just add something else here. Let's add a social icon widget. Okay. And there you go. I have the social icons. The shape I want circle. Then I want the alignment to be center. That's fine. Let's go to the style. I want my custom colors here. Right. I'll choose a primary color to match my logo. Right. And let me just also reduce the size a bit. Fantastic. Okay, let's come to content again. Whatever we want to change here or whatever item we want to add. Let's say, for example, if I want to add a LinkedIn, let me just do LinkedIn search. And this is a new LinkedIn icon that I've added. It automatically gets the color that I chose as a custom color. Then all I have to do is add my LinkedIn profile link here, then the YouTube channel link here, then Twitter handle link here, and Facebook page link here, and just click on publish, and my header will be published. Also, another thing that I showed you, you can change everything. For example, if I hover on any of these, this is a green color that is coming up. I want to change that. That matches my color scheme. So all you have to do is copy this color from here. So this is the color code that shows up for the chosen color. And come here, go to style and click on hover and see for yourself how it changes. Okay, now if you see, I have a new color when I hover on it. Also, this bottom line that is coming up, let's say if I want to change that as well, I'll be able to change that as well. Let's see now, and perfect. This is how it looks. I can also change the pointer as well. So what sort of a pointer do I want? Do I want an underline, or overline? Let's say if I want a framed one, right? And then if I go, this will look framed. Okay. So it's so easy, guys. Let me choose something that looks good, or let us just choose none. Okay. Now there won't be any sort of a pointer, but it will show my logo color when I hover my mouse on any of these. Okay, great. Once I'm done, I just have to go and publish. Before publishing, let me just show you the display conditions. So I'll have to add a new condition here. So where do you want to see the particular header, right? And this is an amazing feature by Elementor. Honestly, for every page you can have a different header. Now this is amazing, right? So let's say if you want a different header for your blog archives, you can have that. If you want a different header for a single page, you can have that. For example, if I click singular, it will ask me, what singular do you want it to be? Should it be pages? So if I choose pages, I can have a different header for, let's say I need a different header for my home page. I can just choose and I can just save and close. Okay. And my header will be live. For instance, if I go to my website, if you see, I have a brand new header on my home page. But if I go to a different page here, I'll have my previous header that is live. So it's cool, guys. Anywhere, if you want a new header, you can have n number of headers on your website, depending on what type of page it is, depending on what type of blog category it is, you can have a different header, right? So that's all about it. Once this is done, exit the Elementor and go to your dashboard. And we are done with our header. So now let's create a footer for our website. Let's just go to footer. And this is the footer that is available on my website. Let's just edit with Elementor. We don't need this. I created it in the past. Let me just move this to trash. Okay. And this is the existing footer on my website. If I go to my home page, and if I scroll down, see, this is the existing footer that I have on my home page. Now let's create a brand new footer. Just a random name. If you see, Elementor Pro team gives me so many options to work on, right? So in this, while creating this footer, let's not create it from scratch. Let's just pull in a template, ready-made template, and just insert it. Okay, now this is my brand new footer. These are social icons. All you have to do is just click once on it and it will show you all the icons. Okay, and as we edited the header, we can edit this end to end 100%. I can change the text here. Let's say if I want to also add a menu. Okay, so below this, I can actually add a menu. I'll show you how. I'll just go here and just drag this nav menu below this subscription page. If you see, my menu is also available in the footer as well. Let's just make some minor changes in this. I'll change the typography to okay, and I'll change the size a bit. I'll go to content. Let me just align this center. Okay, I'll go to style again. Let me also choose a smaller weight. Great, looks good, right? So it's that simple, guys. Also, we can change this pointer color. Let's just go to content, pointer. Let's say we don't need any pointer. And let's just go to style and change the hover color to my logo color. The pointer color has changed. Cool. That's about it, guys. This is the simplest way to add a header and a footer. Also, you can have multiple footers on your website. All you have to do is, while adding the condition, you just have to change it to wherever you want this footer to be. So right now, let me keep this as entire website and save and close. Let's see our brand new footer. Go here. Let me just put an enter and scroll down. Perfect. And this brand new footer is available on my website now. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. I hope creating a header and a footer for your website will not be a problem anymore with Elementor Pro. I hope you are enjoying this video. Please hit a thumbs up. And also, if you have any questions, please write to me in the comments below.